Education Tutors Foundation families. My name is Melissa Talley Palmer and I'm your program coordinator. I'm coming to you today to invite you to join us for the upcoming dance movement workshop. Yes, we are dancing, and we want you to join us. Saturday, March 26th at 1 p.m., we will be doing a virtual dance workshop. We're inviting scholars, families, and all others to join us. We will explore preserving history and culture of dance in our communities. We will look at some history of dances in our cultures, and we will put together choreography that we create together as a team. You think you can dance? You think you want to dance? Join us on Saturday and we will dance.